Now introducing Sit-Pack Campster, a truly revolutionary chair reimagined once again. We built this chair for anyone seeking adventure. Yeah, you.
Hey, can I see that? Wow, check this out, Michelle.
Michelle? Michelle?
What?
Okay, we'll come back to Michelle. We set out to make the smallest and lightest camp chair, a chair that fits any lifestyle. The Campster opens in just a few seconds. Simply flip it open and pull and twist the telescoping legs as it locks into place. Now this is where we tell you how much better we are than the competitors. But that part is pretty self-explanatory. Made from anodized die-cast aluminum, this chair is incredibly durable and thoughtfully designed. By utilizing a one-of-a-kind locking mechanism, as well as a rip-stop nylon seat, we were able to reduce the size and weight. Campster was designed for comfort and portability. No compromises. The unique design increases leg maneuverability and sitting comfort. Impressively, this little bugger keeps a seat height and backrest just like a normal chair. You'll be roasting marshmallows till you drop. With intricate engineering, we managed to get this baby approved to hold 300 pounds. So, where will you take it?